My name's Dave, and I own a 1973 Uniflite Saltydog 28 foot that I purchased on an auction. And the first part of my project is to strip all of the hardware from the hull and begin repairing glass damage and prep it for a little more glass work in the engine room and glass work to fill the holes and get this boat ready for paint. I'm going to be using a dark blue Interlux 2-part polyurethane on the hull. It's going to get a gray boot stripe, and not quite sure yet some of the other things I'm going to do, but that's kind of the beginning point. I will flip this around